Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody stand in your way.
All right, here we go. Pasture-raised egg. Some leftover tuna. I got videos on how you make that tuna. And that's about what? Peanut butter? There, that's some acting for you. Mike Foster here, how you doing? This is a protein bomb to start your day. Peanut butter, tuna, fried egg. It's gonna be killer diller. Check it out, let's put that egg together. Alrighty, let's start it off. It's a medium heated pan. Some butter. Mixy schmixy. We get the toast down. Let's get this egg down. Here we go. Looks good. Oh, I dropped the shell right there. That's okay. Alright. Like I said, this is on medium. So leave it alone, Mike. Leave it alone. Leave it alone for about a minute, then we'll flip it. I'm not putting salt or pepper on it because we got lots of other stuff going on here. All right, how we doing? Okay, still a little. Look at that. See that little goopy goop? About 30 seconds, we'll give it the old flipperoo. Let's do the old flipperoo. There she be. Shut it off. Let's get that toast, put this baby together. All right, we start off with a little butter on both sides. All right, here's one of the stars of the show, peanut butter. Now you're not even making any sense. Sure, everyone loves peanut butter on toast. Just keep watching. Now some tuna on top of that. Peanut butter and tuna, yeah, check out, I have a video about making tuna with peanut butter. It's actually tastes better than you think. Total protein. There's lots of protein going on. You think that was protein? Wait till you see this, then you throw the egg right there. We got protein. Okay, let's cap it off with a little flipperoo. Let's do a spinneroo. A little sliceroo. Oh, yeah. Oh, we got the yolk. All right, there's your close-up. Looks like it's going to be a big mess. It's going to be a tasty mess. I'm going to take a big bite in a few seconds. Can't wait. All right, there it is. There it is. You know what's in it? Peanut butter, tuna, and a fried egg. As I say, now it's going to be in me. Could it be good? I'm going to find out. Your mouth just doesn't know what to think about. You got the peanut butter, they're like, okay, peanut butter sandwich. You got the tuna, you go, oh, tuna. And you get the creamy egg and you go, you're right. Foster's in the house. He's doing crazy stuff with fried eggs. In the back of your mind, you're like, I need protein to start the day. This is the baby. It's actually gosh darn good. Have another bite. I have to keep filling. Sourdough toast, by the way. One more bite. There's some peanut butter. You can see I'm not faking it. Try this. Try on my videos at Live Life 365 on YouTube. Until next time. Peace.
Live life 365.
In the background, you can hear the Red Sox game.
Especially with that bottom hand.
What do you think of that?
In the middle or down to the zone he's hitting. Anything above is not been.
Scores 2-1. Tampa's ahead. The Red Sox are behind in Game 3 of the series, but I think they're going to win. There's your play-by-play. Wait till you see what I do next. So we got some peony, buddy. There's your peony. That doesn't sound right. Super Diller Killer Dooley Put the Red Sox back on.
Postseason has made the Boston lineup even scarier. And
Can you hear it?
This was a team that
Can you hear
had
it?
some swing and miss in it.
I can hear it.
They chased a lot during the regular season.
You bobble?
Highest chase percentage in the sport.
Only if the Red Sox win.
It's been different in the postseason, and Verdugo's a great example. He's taken 21 swings in the postseason.
Are you listening to this?
One whiff.
Yeah, he looks locked in. And when a guy
One whiff.
looks locked in, it usually tells you as a starting pitcher or a relief pitcher, you're going to have to make great pitches because he's not jumpy. He's waiting.
I'm not kidding, straight back there.
When he makes contact, seems like to be a line drive.
Baba.
2-0.